Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook. Today I will show you how to make Samolina halwa, which in Indian we call it Suji. We start off by taking the raisin and almond and putting it in hot water for 5 minutes and then drain so that it'll be nice and soft when it's ready to be cooked. In a non-stick deep frying pan, add your 1/2 cup butter and let it melt. As soon as it's melted, add your semolina, which is Suji, and mix well. You have to keep an eye on this because they can burn very easily, so if you need to lower the heat, do so. Keep mixing so that it goes or becomes a nice golden brown color. If there's any little bit of burn here and there, you can move the pan off the stove and quickly mix it. As long as they don't stick together and separate it, that should be fine, but don't burn it too much. Once it's nice and golden brown, add nutmeg and cardamom powder as well as orange skin. Orange skin was grated in a finely grater. Just a 1/2 teaspoon should be enough to give you that extra yummy flavor, you could say. Now add raisin, almond, sugar and milk and stir. Even out the clumps if you can. And add in another 1/3 cup of butter and keep stirring. As you're constantly stirring, if you have a non-stick pot, it's better because then it doesn't stick, it's nice and smooth. But if you're not using one of those, you want to constantly stir it because you don't want it to stick at the bottom, and that's when the burning starts happening. So continue on and you'll notice as you're stirring it gets thicker and thicker. Once you see, as in the video, the thickness of it, how it's really nice texture, add in the remaining bit of butter and mix until it's completely mixed well and it's ready for serving. That extra butter in the end keeps it nice and moist so that no matter how long you keep it, each time you eat it, and you can constantly, if you have leftover, put it in the fridge, take it out, heat it the amount you want and eat it, and you'll constantly have that fresh taste. Well, here you have it, guys. A Suji slash Samolina halwa. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and so did my family. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, but enjoy with your family, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.